This is a short screencast to show you how you can create a way for students to turn in a variety of different types of assignments and projects into one neat and clean Google assignment folder. So you start off the same way you would post any assignment in Google Classroom. You go to plus, create assignment, and we're going to say here, submit genocide project here. If you have any materials that you want to attach to this, such as a rubric or directions, you can add that there as well. It doesn't matter if it is on Students Can View, Copy, whatever meets your needs, and then you're going to hit Assign. So that's the same as you would do for anything else. So now I'm going to switch to the student view. So I have to actually go to a student. I'm enrolled as a student in these two classes. So I'm going to show you what it looks like as a student when I get an assignment. So for example, I have this assignment of quizzes. So when as a student I see this assignment, I click on the open button. When I click on open, I have these options of add or create. So if I already have all of my materials for my genocide project done, I can submit them through Google Drive or by specifying the link. If I don't have my materials already done, I can start them using this kind of create button. But I think it's probably smarter to have the materials ready to go and just add them via Google Drive, that type of thing. Once their materials are all in, then you can go ahead and click turn in, and the materials will come to you in the same way that other materials do in an assignment. I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions.